What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP DIESEL, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And I just got word we got a badass Excursion back here in the back, torn down and scattered. So let's come back here and check out what we got. Boom, look at all of this mess right here. So do not be afraid, we are going to explain everything that's going on with this disaster looking thing right here. So have the 6.0 liter Powerstroke short block completely torn down. We got the heads off of it, we got the bed plates off of it. Bed plates are actually down there, we'll get to those in a minute. So the way that this job started here is this client here with this Excursion wanted his heads to be studded. So boom, we brought it in, started working on it, sent his heads out to the machine shop. We do this on every truck that we do studs on. No matter what, we always send the heads out and we get them back just like you see them here. Very, very nicely refinished, ready to go, complete valve job. But one of the things that we noticed is that this short block was leaking pretty bad from the bed plate seals. Now, if you don't know what bed plate seals, we're fixing to put you on game. This right here is your bed plate. This is pretty much the main cap of the motor right here, and it holds the crank to the block. And then you have these seals right here that run from one end to the other, and they leak oil quite a bit. You can see all of those traces of oil right there. Well, since we had the engine out, obviously on the stand, the client elected to go ahead and pull the bed plates and reseal them. So in order to do that, we have to remove the rear cover, we have to remove the front cover, and then pretty much reseal everything. So that's pretty much where we're at now. Right now, everything is kind of scattered on the floor. Eventually it's going to make its way over to our bench table to get prepped, cleaned up, and put back on. Except while torn apart, we do kind of just do a follow-up visual inspection. You know, we notice little things like this IPR valve with the screen completely pushed in. Looks like it's got a lot of metal debris going through it, or some kind of debris going through it. So we're going to get the guy or recommend a new IPR valve, send them pictures and videos of that. The other thing right here is these are your gerotor gears. These are for your base oil pump. We did notice a little bit of wear and tear on the housing there, and we also noticed it on that front cover right here on the base oil pump housing. So we're gonna probably recommend him a new front cover as well, and a couple other things. Along with the studs, we're gonna be doing a list of these goodies right here. We have Stage 2 KC Turbo, a set of holders, diesel injectors, a 155/30s, and then we have a H-pop from our guys at Diesel Site. These bad boys are upgraded there. So this little Excursion is gonna be one bad mofo. So stay tuned, let's get it. The bed plates have been prepped and the new bed plate seals have been installed. You can see right here we got a little bit of a mushroom going on, and the gasket maker that we like to use. We'll run that gasket maker and that seal all the way back to front right here, as you can tell. And she has been torqued down. Front cover's off. I believe we're gonna be putting a new front cover in it, but we have all of the parts for her scattered across these two tables right there. I believe this is the box right here for the new front cover. We didn't like the little bit of wear and tear that we saw from the old one, so we got with the client and we agreed to go ahead and just put a new front cover on it. We got the upper oil pan, lower oil pan over there getting already prepped, ready to go back together. So yes, this bad boy is looking really, really good, man. I'm super excited to get this thing back together. So let's make some more progress.